video number 2, and we're gonna show you how to get a straight line all the way across. So we are now on step number 7. It says go around the head, taking hair that has been cut, which is this one section right here, and some that hasn't, and match using a straight line. Make sure left hand is parallel to the floor to keep lines straight. Okay, so all the hair behind the ear, we are going to make sure that the head is tilted forward. So we've already done this very first cut. Now I'm going to take some hair that I've already cut, so like half of that section. See how I'm making these partings nice and clean? And then I'm going to take some hair that hasn't been cut. I'm going to make sure all the hair that I'm not cutting is out of the way. So you can see that really nice, clear, precise section. That's the hair that I'm going to work on. So for video purposes, I'm gonna hold this up, but you can see where I have cut, right there, and where I haven't cut. So you basically set yourself a guide right there. Now, I'm going to hold this with tension. I'm going to stand directly behind the section that I'm cutting, and all I'm going to do is make my fingers parallel to the floor, and I'm going to match this hair with that hair. And I'm gonna go all around the head.